There is a lot of talk where Tesla will build its next Gigafactory. There are lots of countries that want to see Tesla to build its Gigafactory in their country, the next one, the following one. But today, India's Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari, who has been vocal kind of inviting Tesla to India to manufacture cars, listed some benefits but if Tesla manufactures electric vehicles in India. Actually, Nitin Gadkari said days are not very far when the prices of all electric vehicles will be less than cost of petrol vehicles in the country, and said Tesla will benefit if it makes electric vehicles in India. So what are those benefits? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. So last year, the heavy industries minister had also asked Tesla to first start manufacturing its electric vehicles in India before any tax concessions can be considered. So what is the story? Union Road Transport and Highway Minister of India, Nitin Gadkari, on May 2nd said that if the US electric vehicle maker Tesla makes its electric vehicles in India, then the company will also get benefits. Addressing an event, Mr. Gadkari said days are not very far when the prices of all electric vehicles will be less than the cost of petrol vehicles in the country. This means that will make Tesla even more attractive for the Indian market. He's quoted something in Indian, which I'm going to quote also in English. Agar Tesla India mein electric car manufacture karega to unka bhi fayda hoga. So this means if Tesla manufactures its electric vehicles in India, then they will also get benefits, he said. Earlier on April 26, Mr. Gadkari had said if Tesla is ready to manufacture its electric vehicles in India, then there is no problem, but the company must not import cars from China. Well, India is trying to defend its market. This is why they go for these measures. Here's a quote. If Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, is ready to manufacture in India, then there is no problem. Come to India, start manufacturing. India is a large market. They can export from India, he said at an interactive session at the Raisina Dialogue. Last year, the Heavy Industries Ministry had also asked Tesla to first start manufacturing its electric vehicles in India before any tax concessions can be considered. At present, cars imported as completely built units attract customs duty ranging from 60 to 100%, depending on engine size and cost, insurance and freight value less than or above $40,000, the Hindu.com reports. Actually, last year, in a letter to the road ministry, the US firm Tesla had stated that the effective import tariff of 110% on vehicles with customs value above $40,000 is prohibitive to zero-emission vehicles. It had requested the government to standardize the tariff on electric cars to 40% irrespective of the customs value and withdraw the social welfare surface of 10% on electric cars. As I go further with this report, friends, let me know if you think the other benefits that Tesla can get by manufacturing in India or making or building its next Gigafactory in India. What can we potentially expect from that deal? Now, it had started that these changes would boost the development of the Indian electric vehicle ecosystem, and the company will make significant direct investments in sales, service, and charging infrastructure, and significantly increase procurement from India for its global operations. The company Tesla had argued that these proposals would not have any negative impact on the Indian automotive market, as no Indian original equipment manufacturer currently produces a car, electric or internal combustion engine, with X factory price above $40,000, and only 1 or 2% of cars sold in India have X factory customs value of above $40,000. So let me know, friends, your thoughts. Do you think Tesla will choose India as the location for its next Gigafactory, or maybe second Gigafactory in China, or will it make sense to build a second Gigafactory in China, or maybe elsewhere, Japan, South Korea? Where do you think Tesla will announce its next Gigafactory? This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Have a great day. I'll see you soon in our next Tesla story.